Hi everyone. And scoliosis. Scoliosis is a lateral curvature of your spine which happens due to the postural imbalances in the muscles. So the musculoskeletal system is not only involved, it also have other impact on your respiratory system and other systems. It typically takes places in the growing children. So when we correct it earlier, it becomes very easier to treat than going for a surgery. Physiotherapy has a major role in treating scoliosis and creating vast changes. This workshop is of a scoliosis where we are going to clinically evaluate them and we are going to treat them using Psse methods, an internationally renowned method where Psse stands for Physiotherapy Scoliosis Specific Exercises. And we have a resource person, Dr. Joshua Samuel, who is internationally trained and an expert in treating scoliosis people in Bengaluru.
Okay, hello students. We are going to conduct a workshop on December 19th regarding the scoliosis, its assessment and its management. So scoliosis is the more common postural abnormalities we have seen. Even though it's a more common postural abnormalities, we don't have a proper assessment tool or advanced treatment techniques to treat scoliosis. So for that purpose only, we are conducting the workshop on scoliosis, its assessment and Psse method. The speaker is a great person and he is from Astra Rehabilitation Center. He is the head of the department and he is Dr. Joshua. So please make use of it.
I welcome all students and thank you.